Mm, Black soldier farming. Just incorporate this one. Let's see. Let me bring a little bit closer. This is what we call black soldier farming. We have incorporated black soldier farming into our chicken farming. Yes, feeds are very expensive, so you have to find your own way of surviving into this business. You're seeing this. Yeah? You see the flies out are very active, looking for their mate. They're busy mating. Are you seeing? So, incorporate this farming, black soldier farming, into this one. Let me show you. Please follow me into this one. Are you seeing? Let me open and you see. Are you seeing? Oh, they're very happy. Are you seeing? Black soldier farming incorporated into chicken farming to easier the heavy cost of feeds. Are you seeing how chickens are very enjoying that delicious meal? You see? This is it. Don't let anybody deceive you that black soldier farming does not work. Yeah, it's not easy, but you have to put more effort to achieve the goal. I see how chickens are growing. You just dry the lava. You just grind and mix with maize. Simple. Simple, just like that. So thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, like, and share our video for those who like. Those who don't know, let them also know and see. You never know, you may be inspiring someone to join it. Thank you so much for watching.